mountain of sand, 4 foot tall, probably 60 foot wide, 100 foot long, just truckloads of sand. You can tell on the wall, to give you perspective, it is insane. All these trees were uprooted. You can tell power box over here totally ripped open, dumpster moved, baler moved, everything got disrupted. All right, the other piece of devastating news is inside the parking garage. It is crazy what happened in here. So water went all the way to the top floor, totally devastated our storage area, ripped everything out. Storage area is all disheveled. But look at this. Look at all the stuff that went up into the garage. You can tell these vehicles who park late, they didn't park anybody on this ramp, but some vehicles pulled in last minute late and decided to park on the ramp, and they are all submerged, destroyed. It is sad. Sad state of affairs. You can tell water got all the way up into the garage. This is the main drag. Definitely a huge amount of water in Delosis all throughout the village. Just totally ripped apart. Look at that wire. We don't have power for a while. Water here is ripped out. Moved. It's ugly down here. Center of the pass, water all the way down. A lot of these buildings' doors are ripped.
There's the sand.
It is crazy. And the parasail place, pirate ship, they got destroyed in here. Parasail place, the doors got blown out, windows got blown out. Just catastrophic damage. As you move around, you can tell. Just obliterated. Entering the pirate ship area. Dolphin Quest, pirate ship. Just total devastation. The tree was uprooted. That used to be here. All the jet ski stands pushed out. It is ugly down here. Very ugly. Downstairs caddies is just absolutely demolished. Leveled. Everything is askew. Dock looks somewhat okay, but the bar is totally pushed out. It's ugly down here. So you can see caddies, obviously inside look bad, but the outside, water went all the way through the village. You can see water lines even on that building over there. See that gray line across that fence? That's the water line. All the containers pushed out of the lot. Shrimp tanks in the parking lot. Don's dock is just leveled. Dock seems okay, but the shop is not. Just total devastation down here. The entire pass was under about 6 to 8 foot of water. You can see that big old container over there is supposed to be in our parking lot. The other one is over here, that big green one down there. Walls of the Friendly Fisherman got blown out. As you step into the bar totally demolished. It is, Friendly Fisherman is just totally gone. bathroom doors got blown out. That sign looks familiar. Wow. That was a freezer at one point. Just total devastation. Kegs went floating away, look at that. Broken glass everywhere. Insane. The front planters are just totally ripped out of the ground. Fences moved. Things that were tied up are totally gone. Water got all the way up to the first floor of the parking garage. You can tell how much sand is in this parking lot. We've got about a 4-foot tall mountain of sand that's about 60 foot long. A lot of erosion. Just totally wrecked. As you enter Hubbard's Marina's main dock, you can tell not much is left. Well, we've cleared enough area to where we can get our boat back to the dock, and we've cleared up a lot of mess around the pass to where we can pull back into the pass. Now we're just working on shuttling people to and from their homes, checking on places, and just overall checking on the safety of our Hubbard's Marina family. This storm has been devastating, to say the least. Got a lot of damage, a lot of things broke up, missing, but the important sentiment is everybody's safe and our boats are safe, which is a big bonus on top of that, and we can rebuild everything else. There's a lot of people out here in the community helping out, communicating, shuttling people. The Florida community culture is coming together. It's awesome to see. So while this was devastating, horrific, horrendous, terrible, overall, we'll come out stronger, we'll come out better, and we'll be ready to rock and roll very soon. Stand by, and we'll be back in action very shortly. We'll surprise you, I guarantee you. We are blessed with a great Hubbard's Marina team, Hubbard's Marina family, and an even better community that surrounds us that makes it all possible. So, got the teams back on the boats, and we're bringing these puppies back to John's Pass. About 20 or so folks helped us clean out the slips. We got all the nasty wood and debris out of the slip, and now the big fishing boats are heading back home. And I'm in our skiff, bouncing around, trying to help make sure things stay clear and shuttle folks back and forth between the boats and John's Pass. There we go. This looks better. Still a long ways to go, but this is a great first step right here. Getting the boats home. And say a prayer for the folks who actually got this storm. I can't even fathom. This storm was 100 miles away from us or more, and we only saw 70, 80 mile an hour gusts, and we were devastated. I cannot begin to imagine what people further north from us experienced, especially in the Big Bend, Apalachicola area. Thoughts and prayers are with them. Y'all have a good day, tight lines. We'll see you on the water.